From the past to today, humans have always sought to explore worlds beyond Earth. From the time Galileo gazed at the sky through his telescope to today, when the James Webb Telescope dominates the headlines, this curiosity continues. But is there a place in this vast universe where life exists? How can we find such a planet? Is it close to us or millions of miles away? Have we found signs of life? What is the mystery behind the discovery of city lights on Proxima b by James Webb? Stay with us until the end of the video. We're about to unveil the secrets of the cosmos. The James Webb Telescope, one of the largest and most complex space projects, was finally launched into space on December 25th, 2021, after years of delays and technical challenges. The idea of its construction dates back to the early 1990s. In 2002, NASA assigned the construction of this telescope to Northrop Grumman, but enormous costs, technical problems, and multiple tests repeatedly delayed its launch. NASA changed the launch date multiple times until, after 14 years of delay, this engineering masterpiece finally reached space. Unlike the Hubble telescope, which orbits Earth, James Webb is located 1.5 million kilometers away at the Lagrange point L2. This is where Earth's and the Sun's gravitational forces balance, creating ideal conditions for observing the universe. But what is the purpose of this mission? James Webb was built to explore the unknowns of the universe, studying the first galaxies and the history of the universe, discovering exoplanets and assessing the possibility of life, observing the birth and death of stars in nebulae. Like a time machine, this telescope takes us back to the past of the universe and might answer one of humanity's greatest questions. Are we alone in the cosmos? To answer this question, let's explore one of James Webb's fascinating discoveries. Recently, the James Webb Telescope has gathered intriguing data about the exoplanet K218b. This planet, classified as an exoplanet, a planet outside our solar system, was initially discovered years ago by the Kepler telescope. However, at that time, technology was not advanced enough to study it in detail. Now, with its advanced capabilities, James Webb has revealed data that significantly increases the possibility of life on this planet. K2-18b orbits a red dwarf star called K2-18, located in a habitable zone where liquid water and potentially life could exist. What makes this discovery even more exciting is the detection of methane and dimethyl sulfide DMS molecules in its atmosphere, substances that, on Earth, are almost exclusively produced by living organisms, especially oceanic plankton. This discovery has led scientists to speculate that there might be signs of life on this planet. Although it is not yet confirmed that these molecules have a biological origin, this finding fuels the hope of detecting extraterrestrial life. Or another discovery in the TB star. One of the most exciting ideas in the search for advanced civilizations is the Dyson sphere, a massive hypothetical structure that could completely surround a star and capture its energy. This concept was introduced by physicist Freeman Dyson in 1960, who proposed that highly advanced civilizations, known as Type II civilizations on the Kardashev scale, might build such structures to power their energy needs. One of the most famous stars that has been speculated to possibly have signs of a Dyson sphere is Tabby's star, KIC 846 2852. This star, located in the constellation Cygnus, shows completely unusual behavior in its light output. Normally, when a planet passes in front of a star, its light dims in a regular and predictable manner. However, Tabby's star has shown irregular, unexpected drops, sometimes up to 22%, in its brightness, which has puzzled scientists. Several theories have been proposed to explain this strange behavior, including clouds of dust, a swarm of comets, or interstellar rings. But none fully explain the dramatic changes observed. This is why one of the exciting hypotheses is that a man-made structure, like a Dyson sphere or a mass of gigantic solar panels, could be built around the star, absorbing parts of its light. Of course, there is still no definitive proof for this claim, but Tabby's star remains one of the most mysterious stars in the galaxy, considered an intriguing target in the search for extraterrestrial civilizations. Could we one day find a sign of an advanced civilization around it? The research continues. And now, let's dive into a topic that created a lot of buzz on the internet. The news that said the James Webb Telescope was able to detect city lights from a distance of 7 trillion miles. In 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope looked at the exoplanet Proxima Centauri b. Proxima Centauri b is an exoplanet located about 4.2 light-years away from Earth, orbiting the star Proxima Centauri, and is the closest neighbor to our solar system. Since its discovery, discussions about the possibility of life and settlement on Proxima Centauri b have been raised, with mentions of the presence of ocean water on its surface as well. Proxima Centauri b is the closest planet to the Sun and is located in the Alpha Centauri star system. This system includes 3 stars: Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri b, and Proxima Centauri. However, what we have focused on more is Proxima Centauri b, a planet discovered in 2016 that has attracted significant attention ever since. It is said that this planet shares many similarities with Earth. Although Proxima Centauri b appears to be similar to Earth in terms of size and position, it has many differences. One of these differences is its excessive proximity to its star. The distance of Proxima b from Proxima Centauri, the star in the Alpha Centauri system, is so close that it is even closer than Mercury is to the Sun. Despite this proximity, Proxima b is not extremely hot, because Proxima Centauri is a faint star. In fact, Proxima b receives only 60% of the energy that Earth receives from the Sun, so its temperature does not rise to the same level as Earth's. Proxima b is located in its star's habitable zone, where liquid water and life could potentially exist. Another interesting fact is that Proxima Centauri's strong gravity has caused one side of the planet to always face the star, while the other side faces the dark space. This creates contrasting temperatures on the planet. The side facing the star generally has a temperature around 30 degrees Celsius, which is suitable for liquid water. However, the other side, facing the dark space, could have temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. Due to these atmospheric differences, the middle regions of the planet, in the transitional zone between these two areas, are likely to have a stable and suitable climate for life. Now, the main question is, can we discover life in Proxima b under these conditions? Credible articles about life on this planet have addressed this topic, and in fact, they say that this telescope could detect the city lights of the Proxima b planet. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its unparalleled capabilities, can detect up to 85% of the reflected and natural light from the surface of Proxima b with high precision. However, one big question remains. Is James Webb capable of detecting artificial lights that may have been produced by an intelligent civilization on this planet? One of the main problems is that we need to know what type of light this civilization is using. Because due to the tidal locking of Proxima b to its star, meaning one side of the planet is always facing the star while the other is always in darkness, detecting artificial lights on the dark side of the planet becomes quite likely. In other words, if a civilization uses artificial lights such as lamps or other light sources on the dark side of the planet, James Webb will be able to detect it. Recently, exciting news has emerged about potential lights from the planet Proxima b, with some speculations suggesting that these lights could be urban lights from an advanced civilization. However, there is still no credible scientific source to confirm this hypothesis. Nonetheless, one of the most exciting and intriguing hypotheses is that if we ever observe light from there, the question arises: what technologies and forms of life did these civilizations use that their light is visible even at such vast distances? At the same time, another hypothesis suggests that these lights could be the result of natural phenomena. Perhaps these lights are emitted by specific stars that radiate light in a unique way, or they could even be related to the thousands of cosmic glimmers and twists happening in the vast and complex space of the universe. These possibilities, along with various observations, could turn all the guesses and theories about Proxima b into one of the greatest mysteries in the field of astronomy. It's also possible that the news about the discovery of city lights is a misinterpretation of the original report, which discussed the capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope in detecting light from planets, and that the photos released are fabricated. Overall, the observation of artificial or natural lights from Proxima b remains a big question that the future of research in the search for life in space will answer. However, scientists are designing a major project to answer many questions, including the existence of life on Proxima b. The Breakthrough Starshot project is one of humanity's boldest attempts to explore other worlds. This revolutionary initiative aims to accelerate ultralight nanocraft using powerful ground-based lasers to nearly 20% of the speed of light and send them toward Proxima b, the closest exoplanet to Earth. If successful, this mission will provide the first-ever high-resolution images and scientific data from a planet beyond our solar system. These data could offer crucial insights into the planet's atmosphere, the presence of liquid water, surface conditions, and even the potential signs of life. Could this project finally answer humanity's age-old question: are we alone in this vast cosmos, or is life flourishing somewhere else in the universe? If Proxima b harbors life, this discovery would not only revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos, but also pave the way for a future where Earth is no longer humanity's only home.